7 tickets numbered 1 to 7 are placed in a hat. Now, there's 7 numbers here, which is obvious. They told us that in the question. Now, what's important to note is that 4 of them are odd and 3 are even. Tickets are chosen at random without replacement. Determine the probability that 2 odd numbers are picked. So we're going to take 2 tickets out. Now, the without replacement is therefore important because the first number that we take out affects then the probability for the second. So let's look at the 2 odd numbers being picked. Let's look just at the first one. There's 4 odd numbers out of the 7. Then, and this is an and, because we pick a first one and a second one, we're going to get a second odd number. But we've taken an odd number out and we've kept it out. We now have 6 numbers left to choose because one's been selected. And we only have 3 odd ones because we already took an odd one. So that gives us, well, we've got a calculator. We don't need to worry about cancelling down and doing fractions if we've got a calculator. So let's just do it on the calculator. We've got 4/7, and we're multiplying that by 3/6. And it's going to give us 2/7. A 5 and a 7 are picked. Now, it doesn't say which order, so we might get the 5 then the 7, or the 7 then the 5. So the probability of getting a 5 first is 1 out of 7. Then if we get the 7, that's 1 out of 6 because there's only the 1 7, and once we've chosen one of the tickets, there's only 6 of them left. But that could go the other way around. So we could have got the 7 first and the 5 second. So we have to do it the other way around as well. So this one is the 5 followed by the 7, and this is the 7 followed by the 5, if you like. So I can do that as that calculation there, or I could do 1/7 multiplied by 1/6 and multiply that by 2. So that's 1/21. An even number and a 7 are picked. Again, this could happen in any order. So how many even numbers do we have? We've got 3 out of 7. And then the 7 is going to be 1 out of the remaining 6. But that could happen the other way around. We could get the 7 first, so 1/7. And then we've got 3 even numbers to choose out of the 6 remaining. Should be clear that I'm not going to get the calculator out for this. I'm just going to do a bit of cancelling. And so that's 1/14, add 1/14, 2/14, which is 1 out of 7.